So I come rocking around the corner here, and I'm at a Little Caesars pizza joint. I'm like, what is all this white stuff coming from the condensate? Ah, it's flour. Oh, it's nasty. That is flour coming out of the condensate drain. That is wicked. Maybe I should check those filters, huh? Oh, let's see. What do I have to do to check the filters? Oh, I'll take that off. Let's see. I don't have my tripod up here. I'm up here working on this Aeon, their makeup air. Bet you this is going to be a treat. Let's see. Flour in a condensate drain. That's nasty. That is nasty. Oh, let's see. Let's check these filters out. Yeah, look at that. Who did that? Actually, the filters aren't bad. That's wicked. Oh, now it's clear. Ugh. I mean, I came around it. Well, before I started shooting the video, it was foaming. It was pretty nasty. So, yeah, make sure you clean your condensate drains, especially at pizza joints. This is a quick tip of the day.